Hi, my name is Mitchell Rosnitsky, and I'm here today to present my flashlight redesign. So here I have the PIC flashlight. It's made from cheap material, it's non-durable, and as you can see, there's two light bulbs causing the light to be directed in two separate places instead of one. However, you could easily throw this in your pocket or throw in your backpack and bring it almost anywhere because of its great portability. Now look at this flashlight. It's a very heavy duty and durable flashlight with one very direct and powerful LED light bulb. However, due to its weight and size, it's not as portable and it's not as easy to throw in your pocket or throw in your bag. Now with my flashlight redesign, you will be able to combine the strengths from this flashlight and the strengths from this flashlight and get the best of both worlds. I'm going to talk about my customer needs. I interviewed different people of different demographics and I asked them what they look for in a flashlight and the most important functions and features. I also asked them to give me specific and reasonable measurements for each feature that they state. Firstly, they stated that they look for a flashlight with different modes, such as a high mode with peak performance, a medium mode, a low mode, and an SOS mode in case of emergency. They also look for a flashlight with a long-lasting battery, such as a battery that has a 5-hour battery life. They also like a bright and direct LED bulb with a distance of 170 meters and one that's 800 lumens. They also like a flashlight that's waterproof up to 1 meter underwater and drop-proof up to 2 meters, one with an efficient form of energy such as rechargeability with an outlet, and a flashlight that's efficient, which I define as being small and portable, easy to use, and powerful. All these people gave me these functions to do everyday tasks around the house where a heavy-duty flashlight is needed. Customer needs, after creating my orthographic design of my PIC flashlight and analyzing its functions, I was able to use it as a benchmark and identify the strengths and weaknesses of it to incorporate and improve on in my final redesign. Some of the strengths include its size and portability. However, some of the weaknesses that I improved on include its weak material and its lack of power. I'm going to talk about my C-Sketch. My classmates and I created a C-Sketch, which is a visual representation of our design concepts. Referring back to my customer needs, all these flashlights address all of them. However, I'm just decided I'm going to focus on efficiency, easiness to use, power, and size and portability to decide which one I'm going to use in my final draft. First, the flashlight on the right is the biggest one out of the three, meaning it's not as small and portable as the other two. Next, the flashlight on the left doesn't address being easy to use. The purpose of this flashlight is to connect to your wrist while leaving your hands free to do whatever task you need. However, imagining how my customer may use this, it may be difficult to direct the light with your wrist and use your hands at the same time. This is why I concluded to use the one on the top because it is all easy to use, powerful, and it is both the smallest and most portable out of the three. Finally, I'm going to address the specs and parts of my final design of my flashlight redesign that allow for the execution of my customer needs. First, the flashlight will have a rubber-coated aluminum surrounding the flashlight. This will allow it to be drop resistant up to 2 meters and waterproof up to 1 meter underwater. It will also have a waterproof rubber covering to cover the outlet when not used, and a waterproof rubber covering the power button, which will allow for no water to seep through. It will also have a mode toggle switch, so you could toggle between high mode, medium mode, low mode, and SOS, and a mode indicator that will indicate which mode you're currently on. It will also have one high-intensity LED bulb that's 800 lumens, and it has a distance of 170 meters. And it will also have an aluminum reflector, which will allow for a more direct light on one specific area. Next, it will have a high-capacity lithium battery that's charged using a charger and the USB-C charging port. In addition, referring back to my PIC flashlight, my final redesign improves on and includes features in the PIC flashlight. Similar to the PIC flashlight, it's a small size, making it very portable. However, its purpose is to be used for more tasks rather than the enjoyment of kids. This could be seen as it has a much stronger light, is waterproof and drop resistant, is rechargeable, has different modes, and has a stronger battery. This change and improvement on many aspects is due to the need presented to me by my interviewees in their interviews. For your time, and that's all for my presentation.